Welcome to the Health and Wealth Business Building Seminar. It's being hosted by the MADTeam, which actually stands for Making a Difference. The MADTeam is a group of like-minded individuals who have created wealth, and we're focused on teaching others the same thing. In fact, the key is we have done it. We have created wealth. As an organization, we've created well over $15 million to individuals associated with us, and individual members within our team have created millions. We've created a system that we can now teach others how to do exactly the same. We're also focused on renewing the entrepreneurial spirit, and we're focused on teaching financial literacy. The MADTeam has been internationally featured in various magazines. We've also been featured in a tape series by Stephen R. Covey, a New York Times best-selling author who wrote the book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. He recently did a CD, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective Network Marketers or Network Marketing Professionals, and he highlights the MADTeam by name. In fact, we're featured in habit number 5, which is win-win, because we create a win-win situation. Now, the principles we teach could never be more appropriately timed because of the financial crisis we're in. 70% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. 40% of Americans say they just need $500 more per month, and it would dramatically improve their situation. 62% of Americans will retire with less than $10,000 in income per year. So all of us need an additional stream of income. Why are we in this situation? Well, it's because of what we've been taught. Most of us were taught linear income. Go to work to get paid. Our time, our energy, and our effort were involved in every dollar we create. If you get paid per hour, per week, per patient, per client, those are not wealth principles. We have to learn 5 key principles. Number 1, we need to learn to generate residual income. Do something once and get paid for that one-time activity over and over and over again. Residual income is the type of income Elvis Presley generates. Elvis Presley has been dead for over 30 years, yet and still, he generates well over $50 million. Actually, he's not generating it, but what he once did is. You also want to learn passive income. Passive income is when you get paid for what someone else does, very much like Oprah Winfrey. She has individuals like Rachel Ray and Dr. Oz and Dr. Phil, who now, because she established leverage, she gets paid passively on what they do. Now, not taking advantage of them, but you learn to build a team of individuals. Basic wealth principle. Principle number 3, start your own business. Principle number 4, gain the tax advantages of the wealthy. And they come to business owners so that you can start to write off many of the things, and 1/3 of your income is not taken away from you immediately. You're no longer a W-2 employee, you're now a 1099 person. Wealth principle number 5 is make money in the global economy. Wherever money is made, you can be positioned to generate income. Now, the vehicle that that the MADTeam has partnered up with is Noni International. They're a multi-billion-dollar company that has paid out over $2.2 billion in revenue. They're a company that is creating millionaires at a rate of 2 new millionaires every 30 days. We're one of the fastest growing companies in history. And our vision and focus is to create a worldwide brand. Every industry has a number 1 company. In the soda industry, Coca-Cola has the number 1 brand. In the sneaker industry, it's Nike. In the ketchup industry, it's Heinz. In disposable diapers, it's Pampers. But when it comes to health and wellness, there's not one company that unanimously comes to everyone's mind, and that is the void Noni will fill. The foundation, and what's given us the privilege of being able to enjoy that distinction, is the discovery of a medicinal plant called the Noni plant. And we've been able to utilize the leaf, the seed, and the fruit itself to create a product line that is going to enhance your health. Traditional food plants sustain life, but medicinal plants enhance your health. Now, our flagship product that we've brought to the market is possibly the healthiest beverage on earth. It's called Noni Bioactive Beverages, and it's backed by science. You can see from the list, it's known to increase energy, endurance, support the immune system, and just give us a general well-being. That product, together with other products with Noni in them, such as weight loss products and facial care, are all well documented. We have lotion and soaps, and just the very fact that Noni is a premier ingredient in these products makes it superior. We also have vitamins. Our products have been proven. The efficacy of Tahitian noni bioactive beverages is well documented in not just 13, but actually 14 human clinical tests. That separates us from all the people who say we're just like them. See, many companies do tests in petri dishes, and they say that the product will be superior, the product will be really good for you. But unless those tests are conducted with real science, meaning in real human bodies, then you really don't know what it would do. Our products have had that distinction. We are so proud of what we have that we just recently launched a $250,000 challenge, which said that if there's any company that has a product superior, come forward and we'll pay out $250,000. Needless to say, the challenge is over and no one claimed the prize because our products are well documented. We've been published in scientific publications as well as medical journals. We have tremendous credibility. Now, this presentation can't get into all of it, but we've been on CNBC, Good Morning America, the Discovery Health Channel. We're in the PDR, which is a book in every doctor's office. Chauncey Billups talks about us. Oprah Winfrey, we were in her magazine with our line of energy drinks. And just recently, on the newsstands around the country in Barnes & Nobles, there's a magazine called Prosper. We were featured as the entire magazine talked about Tahitian noni. It also featured 12 new millionaires that were created in 2009, a down economy. 2 of those millionaires are on the MADTeam. Our company pays out 53% of every dollar they generate. And so your question should be, well, how do I get involved and how much money can I make? If I can help people get healthy and create an additional income, financial relief, financial stability, and in some cases wealth, what do I need to do?